In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable and start private chats in Telegram on your PC, which is perfect if you want more privacy while messaging on Telegram. Let's begin. Now, of course, you need to open the Telegram desktop app on your computer and make sure you are logged in. Now, on the left side corner of your menu, there should be three horizontal lines, okay? I want you to click on it so that you will see all the Telegram options. Now, I want you to click the new channel, and Telegram will ask you to choose the channel name and the description. If you want to provide maybe an emoji for that private chat, you can do so. And then click the create button. And as you can see, you have two options. You can have a public channel, all right, wherein people can join here without any problem, or of course you need to make it a private channel where the secret chat can begin. Okay, and here click the save button. Now you need to choose the contact you want to chat with privately. All right, add them here. You have that option, and as you can see that once you have selected to start a private chat with, you will be able to see a secret chat window here. Now, if you wanted to have more control over the privacy, I want you to go to the horizontal menu again and go to the settings, and you have more options in the privacy and security. You can of course create a two-step verification. You can turn on the auto delete messages. You can also create a local passcode so that you and that member that you wanted to have a secret chat gets all the privacy that you wanted. Okay, now if you have the option to set the self-destruct timer, you can do that so that you can add security. All right, and after doing so, basically that's it for today's video. If you find it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.